Hi guys, it's me again with another drawing video. It's me, Roger. Today we're going to draw the Earth's layers. So this is the Earth first, obviously. So we're going to draw the different continents, just giant land masses, it's fine. Then we have this. This is the window where we can stand inside of the planet. So this thin layer that I'm drawing is where you are. It's what you're standing on. It's the crust.
With a name.
I will. It's kind of warm. It's where all the volcanoes, it's where all the mountains, it's where all the hills are. Actually, there are two types of crust. Continental crust, the one that can be found on land, and oceanic crust, the sea floor. It's the crust under the water. The different spheres, there are four spheres: biosphere, life, hydrosphere, water, lithosphere, the rock, the landforms, and atmosphere, which is the air we breathe. Next, from the crust, we reach the mantle. This is the mantle. But in between that is called bedrock. The reason why it's called bedrock is where the crust is on. It's where it lays, for a pun. And right here is the asthenosphere. This is actually the lower bank. And next part is the outer core. These two parts, the Earth owes its magnetic field to the outer and inner cores because they're made of iron and nickel, much like a magnet, which protects the Earth from any source of solar wind from the sun. And anything that goes through goes to the poles and forms auroras. Aurora borealis, the northern and southern lights. These two layers, the reason why they're made of iron is heavier than magnesium, which is the thing that we're standing on, metamorphic sedimentary igneous rock. But sometimes that iron can come up in the form of volcanoes. The lava may come from the outer core and can sometimes come from the outer core. So sometimes, I don't know if this is true, but the iron that we sometimes get is almost like iron from the volcanoes in the form of igneous rocks. So this is going to be the atmosphere. First off, we'll have the troposphere, then the stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, thermosphere with our ionosphere generating auroras, and our exosphere. It's not a planet. I'm not saying egg. So this is the troposphere. This is the stratosphere with our ozone layer protection from our sun's UV rays, ultraviolet rays, radiation. And then next is the mesosphere. This is the thermosphere and ionosphere. And this is the exosphere. So this is the entire planet. These are auroras caused by the interaction of the magnetic field and the solar wind hitting the Earth's atmosphere. Oxide mixes with the chemicals like oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen in the atmosphere, and gives off purple, green, and blue colors in the sky. So dark blue turned into light blue, light green, and rose purple. So as you can see, these two layers, that's what's generating our magnetic field. This front part, called the bow shock, is the part facing the brunt of the solar wind. This one, the tail and the plasmasphere, that's what trails the solar wind to behind the planet. The ones that get through the bow shock are filtered to the poles, which gives us the auroras. And some of them, and most of them, they just stream through the plasmasphere. Sometimes the inner core can be also known as the crystal core because the iron is being compressed into like shards of iron crystal. So that's why it's called the crystal core. So I hope you love this video. I really need your support in the form of likes, subscribe buttons, and notification bells. So you'll never miss another video. This is the Earth Slayers. It's me once again, Roger, Certified Science Lover, signing out!